Trees by Jay and Brittany Lewis. Don't forget to subscribe. Woke up this morning and there were no trees. No trunks, no leaves. What happened to the trees? No pencils, no paper. No wood for homes. What will happen with all the trees gone? Where will the squirrels and the birds belong? No branches long, no roots strong. Where on earth have the trees gone? No apple, no oranges, no Christmas trees. Or shade to get a little breeze. Less oxygen to breathe. No trees, no you, no me. If there's no trees, there will be no us. Here's an activity to see what fruits grow on trees. Come on, guys, let's count down and get it.